So when might we be double pumping and when might we be single pumping? If baby's not breastfeeding, perhaps you're separated from baby or baby's not wanting to come to the breast and you're just using the breast pump to maintain your supply, ideally you will be double pumping. That's going to save you a lot of time and it's also going to maximise the prolactin hormone and the oxytocin hormone. You're not going to be having to pump twice every time to empty the breasts. We also know that when you double pump, you're also more likely to get higher fat content milk as well. So if you are pumping because baby's not feeding, you're looking to pump roughly 8 times in 24 hours. Ideally not going longer than 4 hours at any point in the 24-hour period. You don't want your breasts to be left full. We don't want to feel full and engorged. We want to regularly remove milk, which is what stimulates supply and keeps milk production optimum. But sometimes you might need to single pump. For example, if baby prefers one breast and latches well to one breast, perhaps the other breast there's a bit of a problem, you're worried that the baby's not feeding effectively or draining the breast well, then you might want to be pumping after a feed just on one side. Perhaps if you produce more milk on one side than the other and you want to try and stimulate the supply on the one that produces less, you might only pump on that side. Or you might find that you like to pump when baby's feeding. You can actually pump at the same time as baby's feeding because when you get the letdown reflex from baby feeding, you'll benefit by getting the letdown reflex on the other side as well. There aren't really rules about pumping. We all have to find what's right for us. But ideally, you would be double pumping just because you're going to save so much time.